To the educators of Zimbabwe, the time for action is now. 09 September 2025. Comrades, we stand at a critical juncture. For too long, we have been victims of the same old tactics. Manipulated, misled, and ignored. On Sunday, September 8, 2025, the Federation of Zimbabwe Educators Unions, FOZ, convened, and the resolve of our members was clear. We are ready to fight for our dignity, our livelihoods, and the future of education in this nation. We endorse the strike set for Wednesday, September 10th, because we believe in the power of a united front. Yet in a shameful act of betrayal, the Federation of Educators Unions of Zimbabwe, FEUZ, has urged us to wait for negotiations on Friday, September 12th. Let us not be deceived. This is not a change of heart. It is a tactic to demobilize us, to disarm us just as we were about to strike a decisive blow. If they were serious about resolving our plight, talks would have been held during the holidays, not at the last minute. This desperate move only shows fear of our collective power. They have miscalculated, because our unity is stronger than ever. Our plan is unchanged. We will not retreat. The struggle for a living wage continues. The withdrawal of one federation will not stop us. We will proceed with the plan forged in consultation and commitment. 1 Tuesday, September 9th, sit-in. No teaching, no labor. We occupy our schools and show that our work is not free but must be earned with fair wages. 2 Wednesday, September 10th, full strike. One day that paralyzes the system and forces negotiations on our terms. 3 ongoing. Mobilization for an indefinite strike through school visits and district groups. 4 Sunday, September 14th. Reconvene to announce the start date for our indefinite strike, the strike of a lifetime. Our demand is simple. USD 1,260 minimum salary per teacher. This is not a privilege, it is a right. The government can afford it if it stops squandering wealth on inflated contracts and luxury cars for cronies. No retreat, no surrender. The revolution for education begins now. Obert Masarora, FOZEU Secretary General, +2637761293336.